Hello guys, today we're going to do a short video on angles part 1. This is really about what are angles, what type of angles there, and some angle facts. So let's get straight into this. First, we have 4 types of angles: acute, right angle, obtuse, and reflex. We need to separate these apart, and how do we tell which one's which? So let's get into this. What is an acute angle? An acute angle is an angle less than 45 degrees. So this is why it's called acute. It's quite small, it's quite compact, and that's why it's called an acute angle, and it's less than 45 degrees. First of all, one of the most famous ones, a right angle. This is quite distinct, as it's shown with a quite famous symbol. This symbol that shows that it's a right angle. A right angle is always, if it's not exactly 90 degrees, it's not a right angle. It has to always be exactly 90 degrees. Exactly. Finally. Obtuse. An obtuse angle is kind of in between. You can find an obtuse angle if it's above 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. So an obtuse angle is if it's above 90 degrees, but it's less than 180 degrees. 180 degrees would look like a straight line. So this is, I'll just put an example here. This is 0 degrees. And that is 180 degrees. Oh, that does not look like what I'm trying to show you. That's a straight line. Trying to make it a straight line. 180 degrees is basically full straight line like that. That's 180 degrees. I'll take that rubbish out. Okay. Finally, a reflex angle. As this is quite obvious, as it's basically elimination. A reflex angle is an angle that is always above 180 degrees. Above 180 degrees. So if this is 0, that's 180, and they're going even more down. So that will be more than 180, so that's why it's a reflex angle. Some more facts. So, straight line. I have covered this, but I just want to make sure you guys know it. Just draw a nice straight line. Okay. Straight lines always add up to 180. That is the rule. They always, no matter what, add up to 180. I'll try draw a straight line there. And I'll draw one from here. Okay, and let's do one more question. So if 180, so a straight line equals 180 degrees. Let's say part of this is 76 degrees. Part of this is 37 degrees. What is this angle? Work it out. Please pause the video if you want to work it out, or if you want to see a step-by-step tutorial on how to work this out. So, first thing we have to do is add these angles together. So we have to do 37 add 76. What does this equal? Equals 113 degrees. So to find this one, it's quite simple. We just minus 113 from 118 equals 69 degrees. I did not mean that to be 69 degrees, but we'll go with it. Also, that is for straight lines. Now we'll move on to triangles. Right there. Then this will be 90 degrees. And this angle here is 68. Angles in a triangle also add up to 180 degrees. Always in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So work this one out by pausing the video, and I'll work through this. So as we have a right angle here, that symbolizes it's 90 degrees and 68 degrees. So after, again, plus these will be 90 plus 68, which is 158. Then, again, we have to basically do the same thing, 180 minus 158, which equals 22 degrees. That means this angle is 22 degrees. Okay, and finally, we're going to do a point. Angles that add up to a point. Make a nice point there. Oh, right. No, I don't want to make it exact. No, again. Sorry for this. There we go. That's 110 degrees. And that's B. So angles at a point always add up to 360 degrees. If we have an angle of 110 degrees here, what would B equal? This is very simple. I won't make you pause the video. You can just listen here. It's basically just 360, as that's the total, minus 110. Not 1,000. 110 degrees. Then this equals 250 degrees. So B equals 250 degrees. So that's basically all you need to know about angles. I'll do a part 2 tomorrow in this mathful course. I hope you enjoyed so far this mathful course. I'll be posting every day. And thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe, comment, share with your maths teachers and your friends. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one.